Welcome to this tutorial on how to set up and configure the Sendeach AI Customer Support System. In just a few simple steps, you can have an AI chatbot ready to interact with your customers over various platforms. Let's dive in. Step 1. Register and log in. First, if you haven't already, you need to register and log into your Sendeach AI account. Step 2. Access AI Chatbot section. After logging in, scroll down to find the AI Chatbot section. Step 3. Enable AI Chatbot. Click on Open AI Configuration and then click on Enable. Step 4. Enter business information. Now, it's time to input your business information. You can manually fill in the form or enter your website URL to fetch relevant information. Step 5. Optimize token usage. To make the most of your token usage, click the Summarize button to condense the information. Step 6. Add greeting text. Enter a friendly greeting text that your AI chatbot will use to welcome customers. Step 7. Create AI chatbot. Now, click on the Create AI button to generate your AI chatbot. Connecting AI chatbot to platforms. Fantastic! You've set up your AI chatbot. Let's connect it to different platforms. Facebook Messenger integration. To connect with Facebook, click on Facebook Messenger bot. WhatsApp integration. For WhatsApp integration, click on WhatsApp bot. Website integration. Lastly, to integrate the chatbot on your website, click on WebBot. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your Sendeach AI chatbot to interact with customers on Facebook, WhatsApp, and your website. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us using the support ticket. Happy chatting! Sendeach AI, your customer support, elevated.